Okay, today we are going to learn how to put two different styles on one line. Because like when we did this table of contents, we used the styles up here to actually make it. And this line right here has way too much information on it than it really needs. We really should just have purpose of the order on it. So we're going to actually go to that page. And you see right here, it's got purpose of the order, and all of this really should not be as part of the table of contents. But it's all one style because it doesn't have the separator on there to separate the styles. So the way to actually see this is your paragraph button right up here, your show hide. So if you click on that, you see all of your paragraph marks on here. And you can see that this paragraph mark has got a box around it. It's a little bit different, and there's not one right here, but there is right there with all the rest of them. So that is actually how you're going to separate your styles. To be able to find that mark, to put it on there, we're going to have to add it to our ribbon up here. So we can either go to customize the ribbon, and it opens up the ribbon, or you can go to File, to Options, and there customize the ribbon. To find the style separator to add it to your ribbon, you're going to have to choose all commands, not just the popular ones, all of them. And then you're going to scroll down till you get to Style Separator. And it's right here. So you want to add it to your ribbon. If you just click on Add Ribbon, it's going to give you an error message because you have to add it to a custom group. So it says to create a group, pick a tab in the list and then click New Group. So right now it's on my Home tab, but you can put it on any tab that you want to put it on. The tab's going across here. I actually already have a custom tab on mine. So all you do is go down there and add a new group and then name it whatever you want to name it. Mine just happens to be named Extra Formatting. You can see it says Custom. And then you just, once you're in that custom group, you can add it to it. You see it's already in mine. I can remove it and then I can add it back. Once you've got a custom group and you've got the style separator on there, and you say OK, and it shows up in it's on my Home tab in this little group. I've named mine Extra Formatting. These are the two things that I use all the time. So now we're going to add a style separator, and you think, okay, I'll just click it right here. Well, that didn't really work, because what it is, it goes to the end of the sentence where the paragraph mark already is. So we're going to go Control Z to undo it. So see, the paragraph mark is right here, and that's where it jumped to. So to correct it, we're going to go where we want it. We want it at the end of purpose of this order, because that's the portion that we want to be in the table of contents. We're going to hit our Enter key, and now you see this style is subparagraph 1, and that's not what you want it to be. You want it to be plain, just plain text, normal. There we go. So now it's back to being normal. What we're going to do now is click on Style Separator. and it makes that normal text come up there at the end. So now this is normal, and this is the subparagraph, which is what we want. So now if we go back up to our table of contents, to that first section, and we're going to right click on here, and we're going to update our field, and we're going to update the entire table. Okay. It's still thinking. And as you see, now it took it out. Now it just has purpose of the order. So that's how you separate styles all on one line in a Word document.